How are we all doing this evening? So this is a song I wrote 7 years ago, 6, 7 years ago. It was always a favorite of mine. It's called Mighty Raging River. I sit here in my old trailer, watching my aspirations dissolve in front of my eyes like a hot day's condensation. I waited for an angel to knock upon my door. Perhaps I slept too long and I didn't hear her before. Dreams are like a mighty raging river flowing down, roaring like a grizzly bear, shaking the ground. And if you don't catch that boat, you will drown. These dreams are like a mighty raging river. I watch my face grow hardened and my hair turn gray. Can't help but think of the times I wasted away. Always I was dreaming of some distant shore, but my dreams seemed too grand, and one day I dreamt no more. Dreams are like a mighty raging river flowing down, roaring like a grizzly bear and shaking the ground. And if you don't catch that boat, you will drown. 'Cause dreams are like a mighty raging river. Dreams can take you to wondrous places, show you the best of times and beautiful faces. But watch they don't break your heart, mess up your mind, and take you to a lonely place and leave you behind. Dreams are like a mighty raging river flowing down, roaring like a grizzly bear and shaking the ground. And if you don't catch that boat, you will drown. 'Cause dreams are like a mighty raging river. Said dreams are like a mighty raging river. Said dreams are like a mighty raging river. Something like that. So anyway, have a good evening.